Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back to the den. Hey, no shave today. We're going to do a little bonus video. As the title says, it's a little unboxing and a little thank you. First thank you to these people. Yates Precision Manufacturing. Right, look at what they sent me, guys. I'll show you this. Get you this. Look. Oh, do you know, I knew this was going to go wrong. Let's just... And now I can't read it. There you go. There you go. That's how you do that. And then you open that. Look at that. Yay! A top cap for America razor. Well, my diddly John. But that's not the one they sent me. That's mine. Because the one that they very kindly sent me is on my America razor. And here it is, guys. Here is it. Get it the right way up. Are you all anxious and ready? Wait to see the new top cap. Check out this. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. So we've got the American flag, or glory, the British flag, United Kingdom, Yates Precision Manufacturing. There, isn't that a handsome beast? Hey, absolutely wonderful. I love America and I love my country. There you go. We'll put that on there. That's the top cap that they sent me. I'm not going to take it off. It looks just like that top cap, but with those markings on it that I asked them for, and they very kindly did that and sent it over to me. So thank you, guys. So a big shout out to them. Very kind, very generous of them. Thank you. So that's that. The next one goes to Pearl Razors. Pearl Shaving India. They've sent me the new and improved Sleek to review. Thank you very much, guys. And they also sent me this as well. This is... Oh, let's have a look. We'll get all the bump out. I'm going to take that out there. Here we go. That is the K2 razor with two handles. That's a big old wide top cap there, isn't it? So I'm looking forward to doing a shave with that and doing a review of the new Pearl. That'll probably be sometime next week. Just a very quick thank you to those guys. Thank you very much to Yates Precision. Really, really appreciate that. And Pearl Shaving. So good stuff. Come on. There'll be another couple of bonus videos up over the weekend. I've got some stuff I need to sort out. Got to redo a competition. Got a little comparison video coming up, and I want to do a Pasteur's unboxing. But for now, this is it. Thank you, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye.